This is the Honlibey Cordless Mini Desk Vacuum Cleaner. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user's manual. They give you a nice bag to store everything in. Charging cable, USB to a barrel jack connector. Here is the vacuum itself. Simple power button. They give you an extra filter. There's one in there already. Crevice tool and a brush. You must use the brush with the crevice tool. I'll show you that in a little bit. They give you a little attachment like this so you can do smaller areas, maybe like a chair or something like that, as well as a cleaning brush. So to get to the filter, you just grab this piece, give it a twist, and it pulls off. And here is your filter right here. You can take that out. You can clean it off. You can use the brush to help. Replace it if you need. You can even wash this and put it back. So we'll put it back in here, and then we're just gonna kind of wiggle it around till it fits back on, because otherwise it just doesn't go. But eventually it'll slip on. Give it a twist to lock. And now of course you can put on your crevice tool if you want. You can put the brush on that if you want, like that. Or take all of that off and put this piece in here, and you can vacuum just like this, and that'll all work great. And it all stores up in the bag, which opens up some right here. So it's a nice big bag that'll definitely hold everything there. So this vacuum is touted as a great desk vacuum, and for that I could definitely see it, because if you put this back in, well, that's going to make a nice brush to get into a keyboard. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. And of course, if you have other crumbs and stuff on your desk, you can take that off and just use the crevice tool. You can even just use it like this if you want, you know, and just go like that if you needed to. All the dirt and that collects in this, which you then take off and dump out into the trash, and you're ready to go for next time. So let me just take that off here. I'll turn the vacuum on just so you can see what it sounds like. It's got decent suction on it. It's actually 8 kPa, so pretty good, and should be able to hold this without any problem at all. So if we had smaller bits that would actually fit through here, it'll definitely pick them up. So let's go and do that now. So for something like this, probably the crevice tool would be best. I'll put that in and we'll try sucking this stuff up. That took care of it in just about 5 seconds. Not bad at all. Let's do another test with a different attachment. So for this, let's use this attachment right here, and let's see how it does. Oh, right on. Not a problem at all. All taken care of. Here's an old, dirty, and dusty keyboard that unfortunately the styrofoam monster has visited. Now, as far as the dust goes, this is not the right tool for the job. This needs to be wiped down, but it might still dislodge some of that dirt and dust. So I'm going to work on this. I'm going to use the brush attachment as you see here, and we'll see what we can get done. I'll work on the styrofoam first, and then of course we'll go on to the rest and see if we can do anything. That worked well. Let's try up here. Oh, not bad. In between the keys. Really nice. This is actually doing quite a fine job. I'm impressed. Some more dust in that here. Takes it right off. Absolutely. Not a problem at all. So you can see how it'll get in between the keys. Obviously you don't want to turn your computer off for this, just so you don't start opening a million different programs and whatnot. But, oh yeah, definitely. While by no means new, this keyboard looks 1,000 times better than it did. And as stated before, everything is in the dirt cup here, so we can take that. I'll pull this out, and just so you can see all the dust, styrofoam, some in there as well. It sucked all of that up. You can clean the whole thing out over the trash so it doesn't make a mess everywhere. And then you're ready to go for next time. Clean the filter off good. You can use the little brush to help clean that, and you're all set. So definitely a great desk accessory, as I call it, desk accessory. Crumbs, if you eat at your desk, you know, you can pick up seeds from bagels or rolls or anything like that. Right there, it'll do a fine job, even if they get in your keyboard. As we saw, that worked really well. And pick up anything. Maybe you drive to work every day and you eat a bagel in the car and that gets crumbs everywhere. Well, you could just, you know, once a week or so, just go out there, clean up real quick, and you're all set to go for next time. So all around, the Honlibey desk vacuum cleaner seemed to work quite well. It's well appointed, give you an extra filter as well, rechargeable by USB. So all around, a great deal. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.